are doing good. Today I'll be showing you how you can run your Python programming. You can run your calendar, different things. I can also show you how you can run a code for Christmas tree. Okay, firstly, we need to start by, you need to open your Python. I'm using Python 3.10. I used to have 3.9, but since the latest version came on board, I downloaded the 3.10 version. That doesn't mean if you have 3.9, it's not going to work. So it can still work if you still have the 3.9 version. So I have my Python up. So the next thing is to click on File to open a new file. So thing now is, if you open a new file, you can just go straight away to save it, or you can leave it till when you want to run the code. But I might as well you click on File and go to Save As. I think it's better this way. Just save it, then you can now bring your code on board and they run it as you go. So I'm just gonna. It depends on what folder you want to have this saved. So I usually like to save my my work on Documents, so because I have to make things on the laptop. So I easily prefer to go to Document. So I don't have it on Document. I'm just gonna use since I want to run some code for month of the year. I'm just gonna put year. So the file name is year. I'm just gonna save this. So after you save this, the next thing is to start typing in your code. Now I want to do month of the year. This is January. I'm just gonna do February. So just gonna do February. So I'm just gonna first of all import calendar. So I'm gonna import calendar. When you type import calendar, you click enter and type print. You open the bracket, type calendar dot month, open the bracket, 2022. We are in 2022, so comma 2. This 2 means because February is the second month of the year, so I'm just gonna put 2. So I'm gonna close it. So remember, I have 2 brackets here because I opened the first bracket after I have typed print. So always make sure everything is in order. So I've opened and closed my bracket, and I make sure all my codes are in order. So the next thing now is to click on run. Let's see, click on run. So it's asking you, it's always going to prompt you. So asking you, source must be saved or okay to save. Because I already have it saved, I'm just gonna click OK. And this is my month of the year. If you click on your calendar, you can see there's no difference. I'm just going to go to the February. If you see this, there's no difference between the one on my laptop and the one I've just run on my Python. That's the same. So so even if you want to run for the month of March, let's say March is the 3rd month of the year, you just put 3. You put 3, click enter and go to run. And that's for March. If you want, that's how it goes. So even if you want to run April is the 4th month of the year. I'm just going to change it to 4. So always make sure you click enter. And also click on run. Yeah, saved. Yeah, so you see February, March, April. This is how it goes. So even if you want to run for the month of October, which is 10, it is the 10th month of the year, just put 10. Just always have to make sure you just change the command. I'm just gonna click on run. Yeah, saved. Yeah, and that is October 2022. And if I want to say for December, which is 12, let's see when Christmas is going to be, the coming Christmas. I'm just gonna click on run. And that's it. December 2022, and the 25th will be on a Sunday. Okay guys, I'm just gonna show you next one now, a quick one. If you want to, I normally use this to wish my family and friends a Merry Christmas. What I do is I normally create a code, and I use this code to create a Christmas tree, and then attach my wishes to them and send to family and friends. So I'm just gonna show you the code to run a Christmas tree. So what I do is you start from count, you give space, equals, space, 1, click enter, width, space, equals 20, then enter. For I in range, bracket open, 10, bracket close, then you put your colon. You put your colon, click enter, then write print, bracket open. You want to have 2 brackets open, so you're gonna put your this and asterisk, put your asterisk, and count, bracket closed, dot, center. One thing about Python is because it's an American software, so you have to make sure all your words are in American. So it cannot be British English, it has to be American English. So I'm just gonna use center, bracket open, width, bracket close. I'm just gonna close 2 brackets because I have 2 brackets open, so I'm just gonna close 2 brackets. Yeah, click enter, then count, space, you get a plus sign, equals, space 2, enter, print, you're gonna get a vertical bar, yeah. I need 2 vertical bars, dot, center, bracket open and closed, put your width, 2 bracket closed. I have 1 bracket open earlier on, so I have to make sure the brackets are closed. So after you've done this, these are the code for Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna run this and see what output is going to give me. Okay guys, if you have a look at the left hand side of the file, you can see the Christmas tree. So this I normally use this during Christmas period to send to family and friends to wish them Merry Christmas. So this is how I run the Christmas code. So if you have your Python software, you put this code, it's just gonna pop up this output for you, which is a Christmas tree. Okay, and also the calendars above, that's the month of the year. You just have to do is import calendar. The thing is, Python has so many dictionary for so many things. It has calendar, so many things in there. All you have to do is just import it, give you the command, and it's going to give you the desired output. Okay guys, thank you for popping in. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family. See you guys now. Take care all. Bye.